We're not even halfway down the rabbit hole, and the sea of tranquility is deeper than it looks. Amateur astronomers occasionally film a ripple sliding across the lunar disk, a lunar wave. Looks like a refresh scan on an old CRT. Debunkers tried and failed to reproduce it, slow the footage to 1% speed, and the wave clocks exactly 2.38 kilometers per second, matching the orbital velocity of the Apollo command module, as if the surface itself is refreshing to hold the illusion. In 2023, University of Maryland researchers melted synthetic regolith laced with 10% titanium and spun it in a vacuum centrifuge. The cooled alloy matched the moon's seismic reflectivity down to 4 decimal places. Nature Geoscience rejected the paper for being outside the scope. Read, too hot to print. Gravity mappers keep finding donut-shaped anomalies under every major crater. Conventional wisdom says impacts leave dense vertical spikes, not horizontal rings. Computer modelling says the only way to get rings is if pre-existing frames once deflected the shockwaves. Metal ribs again. Lunar regolith should be jagged and clingy. Apollo samples are until you dig below 3 meters. Down there, grains are round and magnetically sorted. That requires a rotating tumbler and a magnetic field orders of magnitude stronger than the moon's today. Industrial equipment, in other words, not geology. Radioisotope dating pegs the moon at 4.53 billion years, older than the oldest Earth rocks. Yet its biggest impact basins are only 3.9 billion years old. That leaves a 600 million year gap where the moon seems to have existed untouched, while the rest of the solar system was a demolition derby. Unless it wasn't here yet, unless it arrived after the chaos, already built, already armoured. In 1976, NASA's Viking lander photographed a boulder on Mars sporting a geometric indentation, the spitting image of 2001's monolith. Same year, Soviet Lunar 24 brought home core samples laced with metallic fibers. Spectrographic signature, identical to the Mars cube. 2 planets, 1 manufacturer. Starting to spot the brand logo? Between 1540 and 1960, astronomers logged over 100 lunar transient phenomena, flashes on the far side. NASA calls them meteorites, yet automated surveys show 0 new flashes at those coordinates. The lights didn't stop, the alibi just got an upgrade. It's time to stop asking if the moon is artificial and start asking who parked it here.